you so much. I love you. You are the best. So many people are asking कि Thailand दिखा दो. So okay, I'll show you a bit. See. Of you? Yeah, sure. Guys, please give me a moment. With Malaysia, Sawadika. I'll be back in just 2 minutes. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry. I missed your wishes. Hi from Vietnam. Hi. Hello. And next, Miss Grand International. Thank you. The pageant journey. Hi. Hi, the pageant journey. So guys, I want to share something. A person from Pakistan came to me because he wanted to click some pictures, so I helped him. And he was saying that today India and Pakistan's cricket match, I guess. Vishakha, bring the MGI crown to India for sure. I'll give my best. I'll put my sweat, my blood in my journey. I promise you. Where are you right now? I'm in Bangkok and I'm exploring here. Right now I'm here at Wat Arun Temple. Just so beautiful. And I got my Thai photo shoot done here. What do you think about cricket match? Actually, I'm not fond of cricket or sports, so I don't watch cricket matches. So sorry. I will also bring glory to India for sure. Hope you bring soon. You look good in bikini. Thank you so much. Can we see the view around you? Obviously, I'll show you. This is the beautiful view of Wat Arun Temple. So for now, I'm sitting outside. The temple is so pretty and big. Yes, it is. Are you alone? Yes, I'm alone. Wat Arun Temple, right? Yes, it is Wat Arun Temple. Do you have piercings and tattoos on your body? No. Where are your MG girls? They're not with me. I'm gonna meet them tomorrow. is beautiful. Thank you. Thanks for reply sent. Already removed your nazar. Yes, I have removed. And as your blessings are always with me, so nobody can cast evil eye on me. Who is gonna be your roomies? I think Indonesia and Italy. Are you cooking by yourself? No, I order from Indian restaurants. It's such honor and see you in Final Queens. How's the Josh Vishakha? I'm so excited. Please do volume in your hair like profile pic. It's looks extraordinary on you. Yes. So yeah, so many people are asking me that you should try Thai makeup for your finale or your journey. So I want to announce this that I have booked my Thai makeup artist for my whole journey. So yeah, don't worry about my looks. Bring the crown back to India. Yes. Okay, you guys want to see my back profile in this outfit. So again, okay, I can stand for you. You have seen now. It's stunning. Thank you. Thank you. Inside the pageants. Hi, how are you? I'm doing good. How are you doing? How is Thailand? Thailand is so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. I don't have words for it. It's outstanding. Have you learned some Thai language? Not yet, actually. For now, I only know one word, which is Sawadika, in the same accent. Can you speak Thai language? No, guys, I cannot speak Thai language, but I will try to speak. Tomorrow, will you show up in arrival look? Yes. Okay, so do you have separate prelims and finale gown or same? No, both are different. Wear sari around the street, Thailand. Please wear separate clothes for prelims and final, please. Yes. Can you make a video on this look and send me, please? Yes, I will send you. Do you feel any pressure because of the last edition? No. My organization is so good. So they pampered me very well, and they made me prepared so well. So I'm not feeling any pressure over here. I'm so happy to be here and feeling so proud that I have the opportunity to represent India on this big stage. Jicha, you're doing great. Proud of you. Thank you. What will you wear tomorrow for arrival? Okay, I'm going to wear sari tomorrow. Yes, I'm going to wear that sari what I wore for my departure. What your gowns are those? Enough. Like, what was your reaction when you saw those? Guys, आप चाहते हो that मैं अपनी gowns reveal कर दूँ यहीं पे? No. My gowns are so beautiful. बहुत सुंदर है, but वो अभी reveal नहीं होंगी. When I'll be wearing on the day, तभी आप लोगों को देखने के लिए मिलेंगी. So sorry guys, I have to keep you waiting. You are so pretty. Love from Meghalaya. Thank you. Surprise. Yes, it's surprise. Hi Vishakha, wishing you all the best. We want you at the pre-arrival dinner. We need votes. Yeah. Yes guys, if you want me to see in top 10, then please support and vote as much as you can. For India, not for me, for India. Please wear blue like something. I will support you whatever other people say. Thank you, so sweet of you. You are already in top 3 bets. Thank you. Red or white sari tomorrow. Please click some pics in this style.
Can we get some chairs?
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
My pleasure. You can get. When you meet Nawat Papa. I'm so excited to meet Papa Nawat. Maybe tomorrow or day after I'm going to meet him. And so yeah, we have dinner with President on 30th. So yes, maybe I'm in top 10. So I'm gonna meet him on 30th September. Please click some pictures in this outfit and send me. I'll promote on my Insta page. Yes. I'll share on my page as well, so you can get it from there. Ayan, be energetic and swimsuit proud. I'm watching this pageant since past 7 years, and it's a most recommended. Thank you so much. I'll follow this tip in my journey. Thank you. One photo shoot of this look. Yeah, I have already got it done. So today we are going to post Thai look in on my feed. Good luck, Queen. Thank you so much. So I think now I should go, guys. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for your beautiful wishes and messages. Goodbye guys. See you soon.
Namaste.
Namaste.
You're from India.
Yes. What about you?
From Pakistan, the neighbors.
Oh, neighbors.
us to